Good morning, Dan, Country Creek Builders. We are back in Apple Valley. I wanted to show you the end result of a project that Country Creek Builders recently finished for this couple. It's a job that we have taken a great pride in. It's the fourth job, I believe, that we've done for this couple, and I want to show you exactly why we continue to get rehired from homeowners. It's the extra things that Country Creek Builders brings to the table when we do these jobs. So here we are in the backyard for this couple in Apple Valley. We completely designed this deck with the covered porch area. We installed all the decking, the footings. The decking is Trex. We get all our materials through Dakota Lumber in Farmington. The nice thing about this project is that we created an area that is almost a backyard oasis. So we have a hot tub, grilling area, an area to sit outside away from the sun. That was important to the homeowners because the yard in the back of this house gets a lot of sun in the afternoon, so it gets really warm. So that's where the concept design came in, to create a part of the deck with a roof and part of it opened with no roof. So I get asked a lot of time from homeowners and contractors that are in the business why have employees do the work. A lot of contractors hire out everything or they subcontract out all the work. I have employees do the work, and the reason that it is so beneficial to the homeowner is that I've developed a team that really brings their great ideas to the table, things that I don't even think of even though I designed this deck. Some of the ideas that my team brought together is my painters came in with the idea of staining at dark cedar beams. There's also an accent strip in the center of the vaulted ceiling which ties it all together. And then of course we do our own stonework. Dave is my stone guy. He's been doing stone since he was 14 years old. He's amazing. Pay attention to the detail and how clean the stone is. That is something that's very unique and we're very proud to bring to the table for your next project. So here we are underneath the roof of this porch deck area that we completed. You'll see that we have a vaulted ceiling with a tongue and groove cedar. We also stained that as a light stain, and then we did the perimeter cedar in a dark color to match the furniture and the border of the deck. So it all ties together, and that's the beautiful part about hiring a contractor that has their own in-house designs and their own employees. Our painters, our stone guy, our carpenters, all bring something to the table to create this project, which turned out immaculate. Dan with Country Creek Builders. Whether you have a kitchen, a basement, a bathroom, anything to do with an existing home, that's our specialty. We do decks, pergolas, outdoor features. So when you're ready to update your home, add that area that you need for your family to enjoy their home, give us a call, 952-484-9812, or email me, dan@countrycreekbuilders.com.